Good morning, MDRT. Maybe you're wondering, what's the future for financial advice? Perhaps you're worried you might get replaced by a computer. Or could it be that you're questioning how can you improve the advice you give and the clients that you deal with? Instead of that, imagine a time where you're delivering more value to better and better clients than ever before. A time where, as a result of the brilliant work you do, you have a constant stream of your ideal clients knocking down your door to seek your help. A time where clients are raving about what you do and why you're different. I believe that if you want a bright future in our industry, you need to change your focus. You need to stop focusing on financial advice and change your approach to financial planning. You may be asking yourself, what's the difference? Well, financial advice is about the products, it's about the tax, it's about the legislation, the stuff that the clients really aren't interested in. Financial planning is all about their future. It's about their goals and their passions, the stuff they really are interested in. There's never been a more important time to do this either. You may think that you're immune to artificial intelligence taking your job. A recent PwC study said that a whopping 38% of US jobs will be replaced by AI over the next 2 decades. Some studies put that as high as 46%. Why should we be any different? If you don't think that a computer will be better at building your investment strategy, giving financial advice, doing tax calculations, or a life insurance assessment, you're mistaken. And they will, and it will be sooner than you think. But what will keep your job safe from AI? 2 key elements: empathy and creativity. If you build your business and processes around this, you will be here to stay. For example, if you go to see your doctor and the computer can better diagnose your cancer than the person, you want the computer. If the computer can give you a more accurate life expectancy, guess what? You want the computer. But do you want the computer relaying the message to you or answering your follow-up questions? Probably not. So you need to bring creativity and empathy into your business. And financial planning is, I believe, how you do that. It's all about getting to the heart of what's really important to the client. Nobody wants a pension. What they want is retirement and the freedom it brings. Financial planning is about having deeper conversations and then building a specific plan for them. The cornerstone to financial planning is lifetime cash flow forecasting. If you aren't using it, you're not financial planning. You can't. If you want to take your business from advice to planning, you need to embrace technology, because whilst it might be our biggest threat, it's our biggest ally. And lifetime cash flow forecasting is an important example of that. Now, with anything I do in life, I want to go and find the best. I want to go and find the experts to learn from. The reason I walked on fire with Tony Robbins was when I wanted to improve my approach to life, was because he's the best in the world at it. If you want to embrace financial planning, you need to find those people, those courses, and those books that can help you in your specific part of the industry. For me, those were things like the Strategic Coach Program, George Kinder, Tony Robbins, but for you, they will probably be different. Identify the people and the technologies that can help you make this transition, and you will have a business that flourishes in the future. Carry on focusing on the product and not the person, and you may just get replaced by a robot. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day, another amazing day at MDRT.